Welcome student in my maths step-by-step classes. In today's we will do square and square roots part 3. So today we will do square roots. So what are square roots? The square root of a number is that number which when multiplied by itself gives the given number. The square root is the number of a number is that number which when multiplied by itself gives the given number. So this is a square root. So here example I have taken square root of 25 is 5 because 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So square root is the root number from which the number came after multiplying it by itself. So symbol of a square root is this. Then see, whenever we write something in square root, so only one factor will come out of a pair. So we will just make pair and then we will take out one out of a pair. Like 100 I have taken example. So first I have done factors of 100, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5. So prime factorization. So here pair of 2 and pair of 5. So out of one pair, only 1, 2 we will just write outside the square root. So we will do 2 into 5, answer is 10. So it is easy, 10 10 is 100. You can understand it clearly that how pairs are. We make pairs and we just put out one out of a pair and then we find our square root. After this question I have taken first is find square root of 144 and 49. So see 144. So we will write square root of 144. We will do prime factorization of this. So if we don't know the perfect square root, if we have learned square and square roots, so we easily came to know that this is the square root of 12. So 12 into 12. But if we don't know, so first we have to do prime factorization of this. 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3. Right? So here we will make pair and then 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. So answer is coming 12 12 are 144. So this is the way you have to find the square root. Okay, and this is very very important. Next is under root of 49. So under root of 49 we know that 7 7 are 49. So we will write 7 into 7, that 7 is the square root of square 49. Right? Next question, find the square root of. So number is 9 into 81. First part and second part is 81 into 121 upon 225. So 9 into 81 we will put under square root and this 9 into 81, that 9 into 9 into 9. So what we will do, this one, after this we will just break this 9, 3 into 3 and 9 into 9 is in pair. So we can just take out 3 into 9 and this is equal to 27. So this is the square root of that number we have given. After this 81 into 121 upon 225. So square root of 81 into 121 upon 225, that is 9 9 ja, 11 11 ja and 15 15 ja. So 9 into 11 upon 15, that is 99 upon 15. So we can write 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15 and in mixed form we will just change it into 6 3 by 5. So this is overall 6 3 by 5. So this is the square root of this number. Right? So we can just write like this. So do more questions from your exercise from your book, and if you are very good in maths, you have completed your school book textbook exercises, you can just take help of reference book. You can take more question for practice, and please do mental maths exercises also. These are very important. Nowadays mental maths books are easily available in any shop. You can purchase them and you can just do one page or 2 pages as you wish daily. See, mental maths is very important for you. Many times, see, school in school they have mental maths book, but student never just complete their mental maths books. So use that book and keep growing, keep learning. Practice makes a man perfect, and it will build your confidence also. So see you next class. Have a very good day. Good luck for your exams.